Hello and welcome to the sixth tutorial of the SolidWorks learning course. So today we'll be discussing about the types and the usage of circles and the arcs. So let's begin. As the dummy, I'll use the front plane and I'll click on the sketch and I'll show you the types and the usage of each of the circle and the arc one by one. So in the circle area under the tools we have circle and perimeter circle. So if I click on the circle, it gives us, as shown, it gives us two nodes to create a circle. The first one should be in the center as mentioned in this picture, and the second one is on the circumference at your desired radius. So if I click on the center, I go out, it gives me the radius with respect to the distance between the point 1 and the point 2. So if I click, I need a radius of 50 milli, so I'll come near to it and I'll click it. So that's what it gives me, the closest picture of what I am looking for. So for example, if I need a perimeter circle, in this I need to have three nodes, first one, second one, and the third one. So if I click right over here and I click at a distance which I need my circle's radius to be, and then I have to either move up of these nodes or either move down of these nodes to get my circle that I'm desiring for. This one is usually important whenever we have a sketch and we need to make holes, the extruded cut or the extruded circles cut towards any of the sketch as our desirable point, because we click on these 2 points and we have the radius, the desired radius that we have. But in addition to the first option of the circle, this perimeter circle is more useful since we can go up, we can change its reference, the middle reference at our desirable point accordingly with the size of the radius. Either we can go up and down and we can adjust it and we can make it done. Now thirdly, we have three kind of arcs: the center point arc, the tangent arc, and the 3-point arc. The center point arc and the 3-point arc we can make even without sketching anything. We can begin with these two things, but for the tangent arc we need to have a line, or we need to have a reference to create the tangent arc. So we'll go one by one. The center point arc, if I click on it, it gives me three nodes, one at the center, second and third. This one is normally used to create the pies or something like this. It gives us all the suggestions. For example, if I go ahead like this, uh, if I click up here, it will be my second reference. If I go a little left, I know I need to have about this much, 45, and then if I go this way, it gives me the arc value. And whenever I comes up to 90 degree, it will show me that you are at the 90 degree already, see. And whenever I go up to this perpendicular 270 point, it gives me 153.68 degree you are at, and then same goes for 180, 270, and then 360 also. So now I can create a pie something like this. If I click up here at the third node, now my pie is already created. Now I have to make two lines up here and then it's already done. Now the second option that we have all here is the 3-point arc. The 3-point arc is made as you see first, second, and the third. It is somehow similar to the perimeter circle, but it's kind of like an arc, so it's half of what we are getting at the perimeter circle. First click here, it gives us the dummy line. The second one is here, and then I can go either up or then I can go either down, and it gives me the degrees and the radius of this arc. So for example, if I need like around 150, 155, 150 degree, 37.68, so I close it down. I can change it from the smart dimension also. Now the third option, which I was saying at the arc, would not be possible if I don't have any sketch over here. See, whenever I clicks anywhere or even at the origin